Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be super daring. This is a young coconut, also known as a baby coconut, and I have a special guest. This is Kayla, my baby.
Hi everybody.
So she is looking up the nutritional value and where these things come from. So from where I got it from was Whole Foods. You could also get it at Trader Joe's and Jewel and other supermarkets. It's in the vegetable section. And so I'm going to be super daring in doing this in front of people. Usually it's hit or miss. It's messy, it's a little hard, but after you've been doing it for a while, it gets easier and easier. So what you want to do is shave off the top part here. So like really get a good grasp with the knife and just keep shaving away. Mama, while I say this, say what it's good for, like where we get it from or where it comes from.
Well, the nutritional value, young coconuts provide a source of calcium, carbohydrates, a trace of iron, and dietary fiber. The water in this coconut, young coconuts, is very high in electrolytes, and the average coconut contains about 140 calories. Saturated fat is present in coconut meat and rarity for fruits. Okay, saturated fat is present in coconut meat, a rarity for fruits and vegetables. So it's a good source of saturated fat. Is that a good thing?
Okay, yeah, no, that's good. Those are the good fats. And so just scoot it aside like that. So you want to shave it down so that you can see this part of it. You don't need to shave the entire thing, just the top here. And now here's the scary part. Watch out, Mama. All right, so you want to hit it with the edge of the knife down here. So you whack it and then twist the knife a little bit and turn it and then whack it again, twist it a little bit. So what you're doing is you're loosening the top and you just keep going like in fourths around. So you just imagine a clock and you're doing like 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and then you scoop it up like this. Okay, thank goodness, no injuries. And then you'll sometimes see, you can pull off the top here, and you'll see the meat of the baby coconut here. So then you just cut that open in like a nice little circle.
And water is coming out.
Yeah, and there's water inside, nice and juicy. And so this is what the coconut meat looks like. See, this is what we sometimes see. So you could eat that the way it is. How does it taste? It's good? Yeah. So it's not sweet like how we...
No, it is sweet.
It's kind of sweet, but it's not like a pina colada sweet. It's feels a little healthier. So what you're going to do, because the water is filled to the top, you put it in here, so tip your blender and then pour it out. So you have about that much juice. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a spoon and then you're going to scoop out the rest.
Sometimes it's a little thicker.
Yeah.
And then sometimes it's just like super soft and easy to scoop out. This one's kind of medium, but sometimes it's like so hard that we have to use a knife the whole time. But
yeah. So yeah, sometimes it's just like a really thin membrane, and you know, it's super easy. The thicker that the meat is, I guess the more mature the coconut is. So you just want to keep scooping it out. Can you continue scooping it out? And so what I'm making today is a hot coconut drink. Now that it's starting to snow in Chicago, we want to look at different drinks to do that are healthy for us, to keep our immune system up. So this is nice. What I read, because this is so high in electrolytes, is that this is a better replacement to get rid of Gatorade and like all those other drinks that people usually drink after working out. This is the best thing that you can drink. So if you can get pure coconut water, especially out of this, you are good to go, my friend. And then what I read years ago was that in different places of the world, they actually use this, and I could be wrong, somebody tell me, because I just remember reading it, I don't remember my sources, but they use this sometimes when they don't have enough blood bags and they need to do transfusions. That this is, I know, that this is so close to our blood makeup that they use this for transfusions. So that's just a little FYI. So you mix everything, put the baby meat in here with this. I'm gonna get some ice and some cayenne pepper. So tell them about how you like that drink, Mama.
I like this drink more than her juices sometimes. And that's because I don't like green things. But it's really good. Yeah.
So
really
informative
good.
and descriptive. So
I liked it when I was younger too, which, I mean, when did you start doing this?
Yeah, so I started doing this in 2008 when I was diagnosed with cancer. And I just kind of took this deep dive into a plant-based diet and understanding the benefits of fruits and vegetables and how it's connected to our body. And this was one of the things that I read in a different recipe books. And so I really enjoyed this one. Great, thank you. So then there's all the meat. Scoot it out. Ta-da! Fantastic. All right. So then now, Mama, follow me over here. Oh, I'm okay. No accidents. All right. So you just follow me over here to the blender. Bring the top, Mama. Never mind. Got it already. So what you want to do is just hold that so that you can see it. Hold it. You got it?
I'm holding it.
Okay. So here we go with the Vitamix or any blender that you have. Just a couple seconds. All right, follow me. And then you pour it out and you have your little delicious coconut hot drink. I'm using too big of cups here, but they're okay. We're gonna share one. And so here we go. Delicious. All right, wanna taste it first, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Coconut.
Okay, go for it. Tell me what you think. I put about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Okay, let me see. I could have blended it a little bit more. I still feel some of the coconut meat, but that's okay. Delicious. So it gives you that little bit of hotness because of the cayenne pepper, but it's still cool because of the ice. It's delicious. It's naturally sweet, so you don't have to worry about any refined sugars or anything. Highly recommend doing this. You saw it took less than 5 minutes. But yeah, so enjoy your fruits and vegetables, people. Please stock up. Winter's coming, so our immune system is already fighting it. So you gotta help your immune system, and you're only gonna do it with fruits and vegetables. All right, that's it for now. If you know anything about baby coconuts or young coconuts, of course, leave a message below because we are learning together. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.